And the country's top legal minds are with me in the one is with me in the studio. Ujwal Nikam is joining us on a live satellite link. Thank you very much for coming, Mr. Nikam. Satish Manishinde, thanks for coming in. Now, the general impression, we debated this earlier, general impression is let's not waste our time trying to go through the text of what this man is saying. It's quite clear, isn't it, that this terrorist of 26/11, who is one of the world's only terrorists to be caught during an encounter, is a coward who is trying to save himself by changing his entire version. So all he's saying is to mislead this country, mislead all those who are seeking justice and save himself. Am I right or wrong, Mr. Nikam?
Absolutely, you are right, because the Kasab is changing his stand from time to time. When he had given the judicial confession before the magistrate, he admitted his entire guilt. And when the learned magistrate had specifically asked him as to why he is confessing his guilt, then he said with all pride that he wants that more Fidain should be come forward and they should also do all these Fidain Hamla. That is what his statement in the judicial confession. And when this honorable court had asked him why you are confessing before the judge,
yes,
then he said since he came to know that Pakistan has arrested the other people and the Pakistan is now owning him as their national, therefore he is confessing. Absolutely, there is no logic behind all this contention, but he is deliberately doing all these things, and only for the obvious reason, in order to save from the major punishment, and that we have adduced the evidence of 135 witnesses, and so there was no other alternative for him. But yes,
that is exactly. So sorry for interrupting, but it's appearing so obvious, Mr. Nikam. And one must give you full credit. In fact, everyone's giving you a lot of credit for the way you fought this case. You have the easy option now. Ujwal Nikam, who's on our channel tonight, Satish Manishinde, has the option of saying, let's accept it, let's close the case, let's say I won. But that's not what is required here.
Firstly, I don't think he will say so, but
even the
law does not permit it.
Doesn't permit
because
it.
once a charge has been framed in a court of law,
yes,
after the police has presented its evidence,
yes,
the prosecution should be given its full chance to lead its evidence, number one. Number two, what we have to say is that only Kasab is not the person who is facing the trial. There are two other persons, and there are a whole lot of absconding accused in the case. It is possible that someday we will be in a position to arrest at least some of them, and even if we can't arrest them, it's possible that with a lot of international pressure, Pakistan may, it's a very remote chance, it's possible that Pakistan may send some of those people who are named and arrested by them to face the trial in our country or to an independent state. So it's possible that the evidence may still come on record involving more accused in our country or elsewhere. So
no, I have a deeper question here. Now, one part is that, okay, let's not accept what he's saying at face value, because he's been in court, he's seen all that's going on, and he's come to the conclusion that I now need to save myself. So not only is he the terrorist involved in 26/11, he's also, as all terrorists are, but now a more obvious coward. His cowardice comes across here. Second point, however, Mr. Nikam, is, has he been tutored? Because what he is saying is exactly what Pakistan wants to hear. He's named Lakhvi, Pakistan's named Lakhvi. He's named the people who are there in the Pakistani charge sheet, and they're closely similar. He has not named Saeed, whereas he named him earlier, and Pakistan is not naming Saeed. Isn't that strange?
see, therefore I today extended my analogy also.
Yes.
And I pointed out section 188 and section 189 of the Pakistan Criminal Procedure Code, and wherein it is clearly mentioned that if Pakistan national commits any offence outside Pakistan, then he can be tried in Pakistan as if that offence has been committed in that country. And Pakistan court can admit the evidence from a foreign court, that is
but
like
they will
an
not
Indian
do it.
court.
No, Mr. Nikam. Mr. Nikam, sorry to interrupt again. You're a better lawyer. But practically,
Yes.
why should... I mean, you may be right theoretically. Practically, you think tomorrow Pakistan will pick up the proceedings in the court in which you're arguing the case and say, here's the whole evidence. Here's Ujwal Nikam's charges against Kasab. They've been taken, right? Let's accept it at face value. Now, that's not going to happen, Mr. Nikam. Theoretically, you're right.
No. I'm very optimal, because you see, initially, you kindly see the development in the entire this case. One may feel prima facie that Pakistan government won't do that, initially Pakistan was disowning the Ajmal Kasab. But later on, when the international pressure was mounted, Pakistan admitted, yes, there is Kasab. Now they are trying these other people. So why we should not be optimists? Because ultimately, you see, some foreign nationals have been also killed. And according to my knowledge and information, in USA, the case has been already registered. And according to the USA law, the case can be tried against the Kasab in USA as well as the henchmen.
Yeah.
What America is going to do?
Yeah.
I am going to question this before the public at large.
That's true. And
You see,
yeah,
on your question of he being tutored,
tutored, yeah,
it's not possible for him to be tutored after he has come to India.
yeah.
But all these terrorists who are indoctrinated to commit such offences, they normally follow a manual which is prevalent in the Al-Qaeda and LET,
No.
a copy of which we have.
Huh.
The Indian police have it, I have it as a lawyer, and it tells you how to mislead the courts,
but-
how to mislead the judicial
No, but this
system.
is, could he have been tutoring himself? I just have a point here. He has seen the court, he has been exposed. I mean, many people doubt what his defense lawyer is today saying. Defense lawyer says, I don't know. I'm totally surprised. I don't know that Kasab was going to confess. That's the
I
line
don't
of the
think-
defense
I don't
lawyer.
think-
Very few people take it at face value. Ujjwal Nigam is smiling. Out of propriety, he will not say anything. But general opinion is that can't be taken at face value
See,
either.
first of all, tutoring is not possible when he is not accessible to anybody in our country.
No, he
Number
could
one.
have understood
Number
this
two,
himself.
No, he can't understand so many things himself now because all that he has been saying is involving so many people whose names
but
are
it's
not
possible.
surfaced.
No, it's possible that someone's
whose
told
names
him.
are not
No,
surfaced.
it's possible.
It is possible.
It's possible that
he
someone-
has the first-hand information of all these. But he is replacing the names of a few important functionaries in the case.
Okay. Now, I just one point. Is it possible? Last question here, and goes out to both. Is it possible, Mr. Nikam and Satishma, is it possible that somebody has told him, put the blame, all the blame for the actual act of killing, actual act of planting bombs on the taxi, of throwing grenades on all your accomplices who are dead. Hence, blame all the dead. You yourself present yourself.
I can't-
You present yourself as this simple 22-year-old who was not a part of a conspiracy, who simply went along. That you were a simple executor.
This is not
I
what I
can't-
am saying from my personal knowledge.
No.
But a judicial committee of the Privy Council of House of Lords, prior to 1947, before India and Pakistan were bifurcated,
Yeah.
has ruled that a large number of accused in this part of the world do lie. But when they confess, they give an outline, but naming other people who are not involved and putting the blame on all other accused in the case. All accused in the case, so that he is absolved of the major crimes and others are getting implicated.
So, quickly, I want your response to that, Mr. Nikam. You were saying something about the possibility of him.
Yeah. No, I can't rule out that possibility. Because you see, initially Kasab has said that he being a juvenile.
Yeah.
See, when he disclosed his age before the doctor more than the 21 years,
Yes.
then he said that I don't know Hindi.
Yes.
All the charge sheet be translated in Hindu.
Yes.
And since last 2 days, Kasab is giving his whole statement in pure Hindi language.
That.
And third aspect is about that.
Yeah.
He also understands nowadays Marathi language also. When I speak in Marathi with him, he gives response to my Marathi language.
Yeah.
So it is obvious that he is pretending he knows everything. This whole strategy is being well advised, that much I can say.
Precisely. Gentlemen, I'm going to wrap this up only for want of time. What is emerging quite clearly, Satish Manichand and Ujjwal Nikam, is you cannot take this so-called confession at its face value. You have to read through it and also not rule out the possibility of this being overacting, over-dramatization, a Pakistani script being read out by Ajmal Ahmed Kasab.